Hi, my name's Lucy. I work at Bristol Museums and Archives. I'm at Bristol Archives to talk to you about a document we hold here about the cholera epidemic. So this document is from 1831, nearly 200 years ago, when an outbreak of cholera spread across the country. You might notice some similarities with the COVID pandemic we're living through right now. During the 1831 cholera epidemic, no one knew what caused this disease, and because of that, it was very frightening. People just knew that it was deadly. Later, it was discovered to be a bacterial infection caused by contaminated food and water. At the time, various theories were suggested, including poisonous air, unclean living conditions, and drunkenness. So the document I'm showing you today in Bristol Archives is a public notice issued by the Council House in Bristol. It would have been displayed publicly for everyone to see, much like some of the information that we see displayed about COVID. The document contains specific advice about how people can try to prevent cholera, mainly through keeping their homes clean and eating certain foods. For example, this section says, people should keep the furniture and apartments clean by frequently scouring them with soap and warm water, and very carefully drying every part, and to ventilate them thoroughly, as well by fires as by a free admission of fresh air. A section on diet says that diet should consist of plain meats, bread, and well-boiled vegetables, avoiding all indigestible food such as salads, raw fruits, nuts, pastry, hard dumplings. What I think is really interesting about the document is that right down here at the bottom, it says that the labouring classes, that's ordinary working folk, should also maintain a cheerful and contented disposition and receive with grateful hearts the aid afforded by the benevolent sympathy of their wealthy fellow citizens. It almost sounds like the authorities were scared of the so-called labouring classes.